What's the meaning of astuteness? Astuteness. Astuteness.
Astuteness. Astuteness. Astuteness refers to the ability to think and understand situations quickly and accurately in order to make shrewd decisions. An astute person is able to see through complex problems and identify the most effective solutions with ease. This quality is often associated with successful business leaders and entrepreneurs who are able to assess risks, capitalize on opportunities, and steer their organizations towards growth and profitability. Possessing astuteness enables individuals to gain a competitive edge in a variety of contexts and can be a valuable asset in both personal and professional settings.